Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. As you know, this week we are doing one video per menu choice item that you have. So today I'm going to go over just one with you in this video. And it's for your virtual learning packet number 3. It says choose one activity from each content menu below to complete daily. In addition to your choice activities, make time each day to do the following things. To read for at least 30 minutes, for just the pure enjoyment of reading, to visit Dreambox and play for at least 10 to 15 minutes, choose one of the math games from packet 1 and 2 to play with at least one other person, and then revisit the activities that you particularly enjoyed or those that prompted a lot of discussion for you in packets 1 and 2, where you had questions, you had inquiries about those activities. Now, in addition to those 4 things every day, you are going to make sure that you are choosing 2 work samples from each academic content menu to submit to your teacher for feedback. Choose the activities that best demonstrate what you learned in reading, writing, math, and content, or science, and or social studies. So at the end of the week or as you finish, you are going to make sure you have 2 of your best work samples from each of those subjects that you send to your teacher. So that would be a total of only 8 work samples that you choose, okay? All right, today in this video, we're going to talk about reading. So we are looking at the yummy s'mores recipe. It says, read the easy s'mores recipe and answer the corresponding questions. It has a picture of s'mores and it says easy s'mores. Optional, meaning you can choose to do it or not. Make the s'mores. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to read the recipe with you. We're going to go through that before we even look at the questions. The title is Easy S'mores. The ingredients, so what is in it? Marshmallows, large, chocolate, and graham crackers. Next are the steps to making it. Step number 1, take a lollipop stick and stick it in the middle of a large marshmallow. Step number 2, place graham crackers in a plastic bag and crush them into small pieces or crumbs. Place the crumbs on a paper plate or bowl. Number 3, dip the end of the marshmallow in the melted chocolate. Number 4, dip the chocolate-covered marshmallow in the crushed graham crackers. Number 5, let the chocolate harden. And finally, number 6, enjoy the s'more that you made. So you are going to use that information to answer the questions. Number 1 says, where might you find this recipe? So in thinking about what a recipe tells you, would you find it in A, encyclopedia, B, an almanac, C, a dictionary, or D, a cookbook? Number 2, which word below is a synonym for the word crush? Remember, a hint, synonym means same. Is it A, smash, B, pile up, C, join, or D, mend? You need to go back and read the sentence as well to help you come up with a synonym for that word. So go back into the text. Number 3, what is the purpose of the lollipop stick? Again, go back to where it talks about the lollipop stick and figure out what the purpose of you needing that to make the s'more is and write it down. 4, why is it necessary to let the chocolate harden? A, it will taste better. B, you cannot eat the marshmallow until the chocolate has hardened. C, it is less messy. Or D, it will not harden. So I'm going back and looking at the steps where it talks about letting the chocolate harden. Why would you do that? So there's a little bit of inferencing going on there. Use what you know in the author's words. 5, if you want to find out more information about how to make s'mores, which reference source would you use? Would you go to an encyclopedia? Would you go to a thesaurus, a dictionary, or an atlas to find that information out? 6, put the following words from the recipe in alphabetical order. So we have crackers, chocolate, crushed, and crumbs. So think about a dictionary. Whichever word would come first, that's what you would put on the first line. So they all start with C, so you need to go to the next letter. I have CR, CH, CR, CR. So which one of those would be first, then next, and so on. 7, number the steps below in the correct order. So again, this is going back into the text to find your evidence, which comes first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Number 8, The ingredients cost: marshmallows, $1.75, graham crackers, $2.05, and chocolate, $1.53. How much change would you get back if you gave the cashier $10? So here it's including math. You're showing your work. You're starting with your $10. And these are the things you're buying. So you need to think, are you going to be adding those to what you have? Or are you subtracting them? Think about when you go to the store. If you give the cashier the $10 and you needed these marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate, you're going to do what with those decimal numbers from the $10 that you started with? Make sure that you show your work for that. And that is it for this menu item. I hope this helped.